Imagine this. Jupiter, the king of planets, drifts off course. It hurtles towards Earth, growing larger with each passing day. The once distant giant now dominates our sky, casting an ominous shadow over our planet. Our world, once a haven, faces imminent annihilation. The serene blue marble, teeming with life, now stands on the brink of destruction. This is the scenario we are about to explore. Hold on tight, this isn't science fiction. It's a chilling possibility that challenges our understanding of the cosmos. This is a thought experiment, a way to delve into the mysteries of space and the forces that govern it. It allows us to understand the forces at play in our universe: gravitational pulls, orbital dynamics, and the delicate balance that keeps celestial bodies in check. It reminds us of our place within the grand cosmic scheme, a tiny speck in an ever-expanding universe, vulnerable yet resilient. It's a story about scale, gravity, and the fragility of existence. A tale that underscores the awe-inspiring power of the cosmos and our quest to comprehend it. Jupiter dwarfs Earth. The size difference is staggering, almost unimaginable. It's a colossal ball of gas 11 times wider and over 300 times more massive than our planet. This gas giant is a swirling mass of hydrogen and helium with no solid surface to stand on. If Earth were a nickel, Jupiter would be a basketball. This analogy helps us grasp the enormity of Jupiter in a more tangible way. This difference in size is crucial to understanding the sheer scale of this hypothetical collision. Imagine the catastrophic impact if these two celestial bodies were to collide. Jupiter's iconic Great Red Spot? It's not just a storm, it's a massive, swirling vortex. A storm system larger than our entire planet. This gigantic storm has been raging for centuries, a testament to Jupiter's dynamic atmosphere. This behemoth's gravity is immense. It has a profound influence on the solar system, shaping the orbits of other planets and even protecting Earth from potential asteroid impacts. It's this very force that would spell disaster for Earth. The gravitational pull of Jupiter is so strong that it could easily disrupt our planet's orbit, leading to catastrophic consequences. As Jupiter drew closer, its gravity would begin to distort Earth's orbit. Our planet's once stable path around the sun would become erratic, seasons would shift dramatically, temperatures would swing wildly, life would struggle to adapt, but the worst is yet to come. As the distance between the planets closed, Jupiter's gravitational pull would intensify. The effects on Earth would become catastrophic. We're familiar with tides, the rise and fall of ocean levels caused by the moon's gravity. Jupiter's influence would be exponentially stronger. Imagine tides miles high, sweeping across continents, reshaping the planet. The Earth's crust would groan and crack under the immense stress. Earthquakes beyond measure would rock the planet. Volcanoes, dormant for millennia, would erupt with unimaginable fury. The very ground beneath our feet would become a raging inferno. The day the Earth stood still. This chapter delves into a hypothetical yet terrifying scenario that could unfold in the vast expanse of space. The moment of impact wouldn't be a collision in the traditional sense. Instead, it would be a slow, inevitable convergence of two celestial bodies. It would be more of an absorption, where one planet gradually engulfs the other, leading to a dramatic transformation in the cosmic landscape. Earth wouldn't stand a chance against Jupiter's immense gravity. The gravitational forces at play would be beyond anything we could imagine. Our world would be ripped apart, its very structure disintegrating under the immense pressure. The energy released in that instant would be unimaginable. It would be a cataclysmic event, sending shockwaves through the cosmos. It would dwarf the power of all the nuclear weapons ever created. The sheer magnitude of the explosion would be unprecedented. The remnants of our planet would be vaporized and swallowed whole by the gas giant. This event would mark the end of Earth as we know it, leaving behind only memories and cosmic dust. In the aftermath, the universe would continue its silent dance, indifferent to the destruction that had just occurred. The day the Earth stood still would be a stark reminder of the fragility of our existence in the vast, uncaring cosmos. Oblivion, the end of all things. There would be no survivors, no last-minute escapes, no heroic sacrifices. Earth and everything on it would be gone, erased from existence in a cosmic blink of an eye. This is the stark reality of such a scenario, a sobering reminder of the awesome power of the universe and the fragility of our existence. Jupiter unscathed and unstoppable. And Jupiter? It would continue on its path, largely unchanged. The impact of Earth, a mere pebble compared to its immense bulk, would be insignificant. The king of planets would continue its reign, oblivious to the destruction it wrought. This highlights a fundamental truth about the universe. It operates on a scale so vast, so indifferent to our existence, that it's both humbling and awe-inspiring. The cosmic ballet, a delicate balance. But there's no need to panic. The odds of such a collision are astronomically low. The planets in our solar system follow predictable orbits. They're engaged in a delicate gravitational dance that has been ongoing for billions of years. In fact, Jupiter's immense gravity acts as a shield, deflecting potentially hazardous objects away from Earth. It's a cosmic guardian, not a destroyer. Our place in the cosmos. So the next time you look up at the night sky and see Jupiter shining brightly, don't be afraid, be amazed, be humbled. Remember that we are part of something much greater than ourselves. Let this thought experiment serve as a reminder to cherish our pale blue dot, to explore the universe with curiosity and wonder, and to never take our existence for granted.